guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic, that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those and you need to find where the VB ACT fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, and where to buy cheap fuses from, guys. Also, we will explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. The VB ACT fuse, guys, where it's located under the hood on your Honda Civic, guys. We need to pop the hood open. Once you open the hood, you will see right here in the corner, you're going to see the fuse box layout. That's the fuse box cover right here for the engine fuse box. And if you open that fuse box, you will see a layout that looks just like that one. This one, guys, right here now will be the front of your Honda Civic. This will be towards the back side, towards the windshield. But before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse for the VB ACT, guys, will be, okay, if you come, most of the fuses will be right here. You have the multi-block fuses that could be really expensive, guys, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. But if you look right here now, you come on the very top, you have a fuse block of 6 fuses. Okay, one is usually not used, but if you come in that row right here, we'll need to check now fuse number 27, which is 2567. That fuse right here is for the VB ACT, guys, right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.